Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this men's mullet look, then please keep watching. Right here I'm just going to dampen Mr. Brett's hair, get it nice and saturated so I can go ahead and part out the section that I want to taper pretty short, and I'm going to try to make it even on both sides. So you'll see me taking a look on either side and trying to make it nice and even. I was looking over the internet and I noticed that Miley Cyrus was trending, so I thought maybe I'd give a mullet haircut a try. So that's the inspiration for this this video actually. So there you have it. Now I'm just showing you my sectioning here, just the area where I'm going to be cutting it a little bit shorter. I was thinking about doing it with the razor, but you know, since I cut my finger, I'm thinking maybe I'll just use scissors. So that's exactly what I did right here. And I'm realizing that it wasn't coming as short as I would have liked, so I think I'm going to go in with the clippers and try to get a nice little blend going on here. Now that I'm satisfied with the length, I'm going to go in and try to over-direct the hair along the sides to try to get a better blend. I'm talking about the sides and the back. So that's what you see me doing right here. I'm going to do this on both sides of the head. I'm also going to take some time to try to see if both of the sides are even, so that's what I'm going to do here. to make sure everything is nice and balanced. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Right here I made my way down to the back, so I'm going to try to keep an angle so that I can keep the length in the back, but I'm just trimming the ends, making sure everything is nice and balanced. Now I'm going to go in with my thinning shears and try to remove as much bulk as possible so it can be a nice airy haircut as opposed to bulky. Right here I'm blending the bangs with the sides and the back because it was looking a little bit longer on some areas, so I'm trying to make it nice and blended without trying to take away the mohawk along the top mullet thing going on. Now we're on to styling. I'm just going to round brush the hair and try to get it in a direction that I want it to go, and use some pomade once it's dry to try to texturize those ends so it can look a little bit more textured. So here is the finished result of that. And then I noticed I didn't really like the front, so I'm going to go back in and cut the bangs a bit shorter, because I think one side was a little bit longer than I realized. So that's what you're going to see right here. So I just re-wet the hair and I did it over. Okay, so now we're blowing the hair dry again, and going back in with my thinning shears to thin out those ends so it's not too bulky looking. It'll look a little bit more natural. And I'm using a little bit more pomade to try to get those ends textured. And here's the beginning look. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned a thing or two. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.